Does this naphtha means naphthalene?
Except naphthalene.
Yes.
Naphthalene.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually this is C5 C11 hydrocarbon and a mixture of aromatic paraffins and
Exactly. But this is
this is on pure naphthalene. And the specification is there in the emission turbine tube naphthalene. Naphthalene content should not be more than 3%. Paraffin, naphthenes and hydrocarbon. The presence of aromatics naphtha is very critical, especially when it is used in the fertilizer plant. The naphtha is being used in fertilizer. 5 o'clock. अजय को बोल देना. According to the needs and specification demanded according to their requirement, and also called SRG straight run gasoline or light virgin naphtha. This is the paraffinic naphtha which is being used for production of olefin. And from olefin you are making lot of products. You are making 7.5, 40.2. Light naphtha IBP 110, heavy naphtha 110, 140 is heated in the presence of water vapor. How do we use the naphtha for making the olefin? What we are doing? We are heating the naphtha in presence of water vapor, in absence of oxygen or air, until the hydrocarbon molecules form. Gasoline and naphtha. When the process is done, a heavy, almost pure carbon residue is left. The coke is cleaned from the coke. Hydrosilicate bauxite and silica alumina (FCC), a hot fluid at 538 degrees C, cracks heavy gas oils into diesel oil and gasoline. Hydrocracking.
In this cooker, here in India, there is thermal cracking.
Yeah. This in some of the countries baking, cooking, thermal cracking. Polyvinyl chloride, low density polyethylene, high density polyethylene, linear low density ethylene, ethylene oxide, ethylene glycol, polystyrene. These are being used for plastic intermediate, packaging film, pipes, flooring, packaging films, molding, fabric, electrical insulation, industrial solvent, synthetic yarn. This is easy, is ethylene glycol, is industrial solvent and synthetic yarn. You can make the tearing from ethylene glycol. Polystyrene, old insulation, molded items for packaging. Then from propylene, you are making it ethylic naphtha. Now, what is the difference between heavy and straight run benzene, SRB, or heavy virgin naphtha? We already discussed with you that rearrangement of the hydrocarbon, compression of hydrogenous mixture, air and hydrocarbon through carbureted spark ignition occurs. Flammable limit 1.5 to 10.5 hydrocarbon and air mixture. Spark gap zone. Flame is moving at the rate of 3 to 7 meter per second to flame zone. Generate radiant energy plus high temperature due to compression. Before reaching the flame to the and hydrocarbon mixture of air, auto ignite and causes the push back the piston in the opposite direction at the speed of 1000 meter per second. That is called hammering, and knocking. Value is known as the octane number. Now you see the reaction. Dry point 180, but the aromatics are minimum 90%, 99%, and benzene content is only under aromatics 1%. Is a sedimentary geological basin in Australia, and these are the specifications. Copper parts per million less than 5. Chloride parts per million maximum 5, maximum 1 ppm, maximum 1 ppb.